Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can find your video recordings and clips in OBS Studio. So let's get started. Can't find where OBS is saving your recordings? Don't worry. OBS shows the exact folder where all of your videos and clips are being stored, and you can even change it to a different location if you want. First, open OBS Studio and click on Settings. Next, select Output from the menu on the left. If your output mode is set to Simple, you'll see your recording settings directly on this page. If your output mode is set to Advanced, click on the Recording tab. Now look for the Recording Path option. This shows the folder where OBS is currently saving all of your recordings and clips. If you'd like to save your recordings somewhere else, click Browse and select a new folder. Once you've chosen the location, click Apply and then OK. That's it. You now know exactly where your OBS recordings are stored and how to change the save location whenever you need to. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more OBS Studio tips, tricks, and content creator tutorials. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.